Me know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Not exaggerating. When you taste this one, you're gonna say, yeah. The dough, beautiful and soft. Perfect. The sauce now, that's soft. Look at this dough. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. You're soft and nice. And the sauce, on the edge, crunchy. Yeah? Cheese pizza.
I'll let you know.
Let me know right now. All right. Taste it, tell me what you think.
My jaws are tingling.
That's a good thing. That's a good thing.
That's a very good sign.
What else?
Secondly,
Tell them. She don't want it on camera. She have to sit down, her jaws were tingling. What else? Tell them.
The cheese, nice and stretchy, but not stretchy where it's chewy.
How the Parmesan affect it?
Give it more flavor than the last one we ate. And the sauce? Was.
Talk to me about the crust. It just like a hint of garlic, eh? Roasted garlic?
Yeah, it's just so good. But listen, the crust, it's just so easy to eat. Like, it's like it falls apart in your mouth, you know what I mean?
And it's soft, fresh. It's soft, fresh. I'm not gonna lie to you, hands down, and the best pizza I ever make in the house.
Fast.
In the house.
Fast.
Make good pizza at work. I have the equipment then. But this stone right here, big man thing.
When you used to work, get it right.
When I used to work, when I work again, when I work for nobody again. But yeah, when I used to work in the restaurants, my pizza used to come out perfect. Because one of the restaurants, we used to have a stone oven pizza. And then the other one was this pizza oven that is like a chain. It rotates everything. That was the one. But I went into Walmart the other day and I saw this stone for $19. And I don't regret when I bought this stone. It made the crust just only a little bit of flour you see under here. I'm going to say my final next piece when I have that much flour.
Remember how I told you about the pizza earlier? With pizza?
You'd have go back in that store and go buy that one there. Yeah. See there? Beautiful. Oh God.
It's just so fresh. It's just tasting freshness, right?
Jamie! Not exaggerate. And cheese just melt.
Oh, the crust.
Going for seconds.
That's my last.
Pizza night, that's your last 1.5. Pizza night. My hand tired from the camera. Fluffy.
Bomb.
Elevate the sauce. And the sauce now cook. Woo! My. Oh yeah. Forgive me. Let me show you now a glimpse of the sauce again. You saw that tomato sauce. Fresh from off the table. Beautiful. Look at that consistency. Oh God. Come Jamie, give me a tea. Come taste the pizza. Here. Try pizza for me. I don't want nobody to feel I exaggerate. Jamie is an honest youth.
That's nice. Don't feel nice.
Yo.
I thought you were going to make pizza.
But I make pizza for you when I'm a 2-year-old.
Well, you don't really think, he's thinking about taste, but at the same time,
Never did know about taste like that.
Express himself.
And Jamie is a pizza lover. Because every week Jamie eat pizza.
Daddy, I ate pizza and so much things. I ate pizza in daycare.
Yeah.
I ate daycare. I pizza at my ground home.
Plenty. That is.
And what else?
Every single day I did.
And at your school.
School.
Yeah.
Every Thursday was pizza day before school was locked down. Wow. We only have a little piece, and the slices are not small enough. Look at the slices.
What are you?
They're not small slices. What happened? You want water? Why can you stuff him out? Why you stuff him out?
Why is it a little tough?
Crunchy.
At the end, because I put the olive oil on the end, so the rest of the dough is nice and soft, and then the end just get like a crunch factor. Beautiful. Stop opening your mouth like that, bro. Nobody now wants to sit down in your tunnel. You know the water, Lisa? You just want water, please. What happened now? What happened?
So very, 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 very good.
Wow.
You do?
Thank you very, 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 triple time, very, very, very much. Thank you. Come. Glad you enjoyed it, bro.
I don't want to eat no more.
You belly full? After you eat have such a big size, thank you. I can have one size now. Yo, that was awesome, bro. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Thought your belly was full. Don't force your belly if your belly full enough. Don't force it, okay? You can eat it tomorrow.
You're gonna have to vacuum.
Done yet? I like the crust.
Mine?
I like the crust. You eat it then.
Here it is, that last bite. I left a little bit of water for you. I don't want to left too much so you full up your belly. Nice, beautiful. Ah, good job, good job. Oh, it's spicy? Not spicy, man. See? It's done. So by the time you're looking at this, we have the pizza video out, right? So
Make pizza again. Make pizza right now again.
what? No, bro, we can't make no more pizza tonight. My belly's full and I'm tired. I'm gonna make ice cream.
Yay!
You wanna make ice cream?
Yeah, I love ice cream. I'm eating that all. I love ice cream.
Well, you can't eat half of that, bro. But yeah.
Why? It has 58 scoops?
Probably not 58 scoops, but you can't eat so much ice cream, bro.
Why?
Your belly will hurt you. You can't. Listen, pizza, ice cream, those stuff you can enjoy occasionally. You know what occasionally mean? What does it mean? Occasionally.
Occasionally mean you have to stop eating food.
No, occasionally means sometime, not all the time. Like if you want to see how to make this pizza, check out the video, everybody. You know me, I say thank you very much for tuning in.
Can I eat
It's a little
ice cream?
quick, simple sit down. Yeah, bro.
I can't eat ice cream?
When we make it, there's none right now. I'm gonna make some. So yeah.
But let's just get the cone because the cone's already here in the ice cream.
I'm gonna make the ice cream, homemade ice cream. I have an ice cream video out already, so if you want to check that out, that's Roman Raisin Jamaican ice cream. Check that out. I'm gonna leave the link up here. So let's tell the people and buy Jamaica because I need to wash this thing here. And yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the video then. Tell me if you like little videos like these and I'll definitely get them done for you, see me? And thank you for over 200,000 subscribers. Enough love. Is it? Big up on yourself. Wagwan. Until next time, my people. Safe travel for the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.